I had the privilege of viewing this excellent device, the InstaZ automatic capture non-mydriatic fundus camera by Remidio. It is giving excellent image quality. The details are very well picked up. The pathologies in the retina are excellently delineated. Can even capture a montage image, which can be auto-constructed. So this is really an excellent device.
I tried the Remidio InstaZ, the non-mydriatic instant automated fundus camera. Quite happy with the resolution of the images and how rapidly it's able to acquire both the eyes automatically. And the details are very vivid, the colors are nice.
This is really a wonderful instrument, and I don't think we've got better images than undilated pupil in such short time. So I've really come a long way, like 10-20 years of seeing the screening tools where we were finding it so difficult to delineate vessels, and now you can delineate the measurements so clearly, and probably I'm really impressed about it.